Hey guys, it's Bobby from Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener. Today we're going to show you how I mix my soil for my garden beds. I want to say right up front that I got a lot of my ideas for my soil mixture from Mark and Tina at Bumble Bee Junction. If you haven't checked those guys out, you most definitely should. Those guys really know what they're doing. So thank you, Mark and Tina, and happy anniversary. First, what I did was put some peat moss in my wheelbarrow, and I'm breaking it up because it does tend to be clumpy. This is a good base layer that's going to allow for a lot of drainage, and it's really just going to give the soil some composition. It's really just going to make it palatable in your hands, and it's going to help it firm up and break apart, help the roots grow through there. It's just amazing stuff. Next, we're going to add some sifted compost that I got the other day. If you saw that video, boy, that was a lot of work. Anyways, we're going to add several scoops of that, and I'll speed it up through parts of this so you don't have to just sit here and watch me do this. Next, I'm going to add some of my composted horse manure to the pile. It's going to add lots of nutrients as well as microbial life to the soil. That's a key element, as are they all. At this point, I'm going to add some perlite to the mix, and that's going to help with drainage. Now I'm going to add some bone meal, which is phosphorus. That will help the fruit set. When you add nitrogen, it helps the plant itself grow, and phosphorus helps the fruit grow on the plant. Pretty amazing stuff. And good advice once again from Mark and Tina at Bumble Bee Junction. And then I'm going to add a little 555. It's just an organic, fast-released fertilizer that I got. And that nitrogen plus the nitrogen in the horse manure is all I need. And finally, we're just going to give it a really good mix. You got to mix it well so that it'll be consistent through and through, and everything can kind of mesh together. Here I'm going to show you why I like this bed style. Using those corner blocks, it's easy to take the front or the side pieces off for ease of access. And this is what I have to do many times over throughout the day to fill it up, but persistence and patience most definitely pay off. Okay, just going to interject a quick video here from where I got some hay from a friend. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that once again I've got another friend that has a ranch, and that's where I come and get hay. There's two kinds of hay. There's fresh hay that horses love to eat because they're such picky eaters, and then there's spoiled hay, which is just hay that's been rained on, pooped and peed on, that sort of thing. They won't eat it. So I do them a favor by cleaning it up, and they do me a favor by giving me free hay, which is like $9 a bale right now. Okay, so I got the bed filled with some dirt. Okay, I know it's not absolutely filled, but I need to use some of that product in another bed first. That's what I've got to use right now, so that's what it's going to get. Now I'm going to take some of that hay I got and just mulch this so that it doesn't dry out. That simple.